How to buy VillaCoin token. So this token came under the symbol of Villa. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago, as you can see here, and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token traded #1 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your FAT wallet. For that, as you can see, first of all, just log into your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now what you need to do, just click swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this is how to click on it and click on I understand. Now here you can type how much you want to buy, as you can see here. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token. So after that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Villa token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.